Welcome viewers, in this video I'm making a simple fire grate for a wood-fired barbecue. Having already cut all the components to size, here I am deburring or cleaning up the cut edges on the grinder. I am using lengths of pipe passing through both sides of the frame to form the grill. Here I am tacking the two sides of the frame together so that they can be stack drilled. I am just showing the one hole being drilled here, first with a pilot drill and then to final diameter. Once all the holes have been drilled in the two frame members, it's a simple matter of cutting the tack welds and separating the two sides. I don't have a fancy welding bench here in the garage, so I'm using an alloy trestle with two pieces of wood to form the surface to tack up the rectangular frame. Making sure the frame is square by equal diagonal measurements, I then clamp and tack weld the corners. When I was setting up, I didn't realise that the wood was not perfectly flat, and consequently my frame has ended up slightly twisted. However, this is easily dealt with by clamping the tacked up frame to the trestle itself. There's enough give in the tacks to enable the frame to be set flat, and once it is all welded up it will retain its alignment. With the frame welded, a centre strut is introduced, aligned with a bit of persuasion from a hammer and then welded in place. Once this has been done, it is time for the pipe grill, and here I am fitting the pipes to the pre-drilled holes in the frame. Once in position, I tack weld each pipe to the inside of one side of the frame. With all the tacks done, I then proceed to weld out the frame. Setting the frame on its side, I then weld in each pipe end. I'm at the stage of putting the legs on, but first I grind flat any of the welds where a leg will go. I then position each of the legs in turn. I next check that each of the legs is sitting perpendicular to the frame. Finally, I tack each leg in place. Once the legs are tacked up, it's a simple matter to go around and square them up using a hammer. The legs were then welded out and the job was done. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please click like. I would also welcome your subscription to the channel. Thank you.